Oh, yeah. So guys, this morning, I came to site, although I'm not the owner of the site, but this is what I do at work. So this morning I saw one of the Hausa guys asking me, they are two in number. So they asked me if I have work to do. I said I don't have work to do. But the way the guys are doing, I can see they are hungry. Yes, the guys are hungry. And I don't have enough. So I want to give them the little I have. Because this is not my site, it's my friend's site. See the guys there. You should two guys there out there sitting down there. I believe that they don't have anything to eat, but I believe that the little I can give them, they will see something to eat this morning. So they will see something to eat this morning. Let me check if they will collect the money or not. Let's look.
Yeah, 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 yeah.